Want to show buyers exactly what you can do before they order? In this video, I'll show you how to add stunning portfolio items to your Fiverr profile. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your portfolio is visual proof of your skills and quality. A strong portfolio can be the deciding factor that wins you the gig. To add an item, go to your profile and click Edit Profile. Find the Portfolio section and click Add New Item. You can upload images, PDFs, or even video files. For each item, write a compelling title and a brief description. Explain the project, the client's goal, and how your work achieved that goal. Context makes your portfolio much more powerful. You can also attach portfolio items directly to specific gigs. When editing a gig, go to the gallery section and upload relevant samples that showcase the exact service you're offering. A crucial pro tip: even if your work is not visual, create visual case studies. A writer can show a well-formatted PDF of a blog post. A programmer can show a screenshot of a working app interface. Make your work tangible for the buyer. And just like that, you've built a gallery of your best work that builds instant trust and credibility. Adding portfolio items provides undeniable evidence of your expertise. What's the one portfolio piece you're most proud of? Brag about it in the comments. To build social proof, watch our next video on how to get positive reviews on Fiverr. Thanks for watching.